Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get a YouTube shortcut on your desktop screen. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first thing you need to do is open your Chrome. Now once Chrome is opened, just search for youtube.com. Once you enter YouTube, as it loads finish, right here we are on YouTube. And as we are on YouTube, now the best thing for you to do is just go to the three dots at your top here, click on that, and then come down to your more tools, and then we have create shortcut, and then this is the name that you just type in the name that you want it to show on your desktop, which is going to be the app on your computer. So just click on that, create. Right, as you can see now here we have it on our desktop here. So just close this and then open it once again. So once you open that is the YouTube app. It is going to show on your computer. Now to know whether it is rightly installed on your computer, just go to as it is opening. Right, you can see that we have it here as it opens. So just close this. Now to be sure that it is being installed as an app on your computer, just go to your apps installed, search for control panel here, open control panel, then go to the programs and features. We have programs and features here, and scroll down to see, and then we have it on YouTube here. Right, so that is how to get the YouTube app on your computer. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.